Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to fix WebSocket connection issues in Google Chrome step by step in 2026. If you use web apps like live chats, trading platforms, dashboards, or real-time tools, and they suddenly disconnect or fail to load live data, WebSocket problems may be the reason. WebSockets allow websites to maintain a constant real-time connection with servers. When something blocks or interrupts that connection, features stop working instantly. Let's fix it. First, check your internet connection. Unstable networks can break WebSocket connections. Restart your router, or switch to a more stable network if possible. Next, open Chrome and check for browser updates. Click the three dots, go to Help greater than About Google Chrome, and let it update. Outdated versions may have protocol compatibility issues. Now, open Chrome DevTools to confirm the error. Right-click on the page, choose Inspect, and go to the Network tab. Reload the page and look for a request labeled WS. Click it to see if it shows errors like failed, blocked, or connection closed. If you see blocked connections, your firewall or antivirus may be interfering. WebSockets use different ports and protocols that some security tools restrict. Temporarily disable your firewall or antivirus to test. Another important step is to disable browser extensions. Go to More Tools greater than Extensions and turn off all extensions. Some ad blockers or security extensions block WebSocket traffic. Next, clear Chrome's cache. Go to Settings, greater than Privacy and Security, greater than Clear Browsing Data, choose All Time, and Clear Cached Images, Cookies, and Site Data. Old data can cause connection conflicts. You should also check proxy or VPN settings. VPNs sometimes block or reroute WebSocket traffic. Disable your VPN or proxy temporarily and test again. If you're a developer, ensure the server supports secure WebSockets shown as WSS://. Modern browsers block insecure WS:// connections on HTTPS sites. Finally, reset Chrome settings if nothing works. Go to Settings greater than Reset and clean up greater than Restore settings to original defaults. This fixes hidden misconfigurations. And that's how you fix Google Chrome WebSocket connection issues step by step in 2026. If this guide helped you, don't forget to like the video, subscribe for more Chrome troubleshooting and tech tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.